Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today is Monday. It is May 18th, 2020. I hope that you had a great weekend. I'm going to tell you about my weekend a little bit later, but I hope that you had a really good time with your family. So we're going to start today with a warm-up. Then I'm going to share my weekend news with you. We are going to listen to the poem for the week and a couple more silent E words that we're going to practice, a problem-solving task, and then on to a very short story about butterflies, because this week is all about butterflies. And I know that some of you know so much about butterflies, so some of it may be review, but you hopefully will learn some new information as well. So we're going to start off with the warm-up, and we are going to do our teen numbers. We're going to focus on our teen numbers, doing them the Say 10 way. So I'm going to start with 10, 1, 11. Good job. Do it with me. 10, 2, 12, 10, 3, 13, 10, 4, 14, 10, 5, 15, 10, and 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19, and then two groups of 10. 10 makes 20. Good job, boys and girls. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We can count by fives. Good job. All right, so we have some new sight words this week. Adjust my camera. There we go. The first one is all. I have all the candy. All. A-L-L. All. You say it. All. Good job. Here. Here we go. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. When. When are you coming over? When. W-H-E-N. When. Good job. His. His name is Michael. His. H-I-S. You say it. His. Good. And review from last week is said. 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 She said to listen. She said to sit down. Said. That's review. I'm not 100% sure that everyone knows this one yet, so we're going to keep it as review. And we're going to be practicing all of these sight words throughout the week on the video and at home as well. All right, so I'm going to move those over to the side. Warm up is finished. I'm going to share with you my weekend news and what I did yesterday. So I wrote mine out and I'm going to read it twice. Okay. Yesterday I went on a hike with my family. We wore lots of bug spray. We climbed a very big hill and saw lots of beautiful plants. This is my weekend news. So I'm going to read it one more time, nice and slowly, and I'm going to point to each word while I read it. Okay. Yesterday I went on a hike with my family. We wore lots of bug spray. We climbed a very big hill and saw lots of beautiful plants. This is my weekend news. Okay. So what I'm looking for is uppercase letters at the beginning of your sentences, a period at the end, and evidence that you're trying to remember that finger space in between your words. So try your best. Have your parents take a picture of it, put it on the app, or email it to me, okay? All right, so I'm going to put that over to the side. So I just shared my weekend news. Next is our new poem for the week. So we're learning about butterflies. So I found this poem about butterflies, also with subtraction. So I thought you'd really like it since we're learning about both. All right, and it goes like this. 5 little butterflies, 5 little butterflies by the door. One flew away, and then there were 4. 4 little butterflies by the tree. One flew away, and then there were 3. 3 little butterflies up in the blue. One flew away, and then there were 2. 2 little butterflies out in the sun. One flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little butterfly now all alone. She was so lonely, she flew home. So you're going to practice with an adult first. Get all those words that you're unsure of, and then throughout the week you can practice reading to stuffed animals, you can read to your pet, you can read to a sibling at home, a brother or sister. But you're going to practice, because that's how we get better. That's how we become a better reader, by doing it over and over again. All right, so 5 little butterflies. All right, have fun with this. After that, I wanted us to, I have some more silent E words, a few of them, and I just need a flat surface. Okay. So I want you to look. So we have, right here, we have cod, odd. So consonant, vowel, consonant goes to code, because that silent E helps that vowel say its name, okay? So cod, code. Cop goes to cope. Nap goes to nape, which is the back of your neck. Man goes to mane. Pan goes to pain. Can goes to cane. Op goes to ope. Mope. Fad goes to fade. Okay, so remember that E at the end of the word is silent, does not talk, and it helps that vowel to say its name. All right, very, very good. I'm going to put that over to the side. All right, our problem-solving task. So what you need, friends, is a white sheet of paper and a pencil. All right, I'm going to get mine ready to go. Okay, pause the video if you don't have it ready. That's okay. And then come on back. All right, so here's the task. Here's the problem. Jen had 9 flowers. She gave 7 to Joey. How many flowers does she have left? Okay, so she has 9. So 5 and 4 is 9. She has 9. She gave 7 away. 5, 6, 7. So how many does she have left? She just has 2 left. So we need to represent that. We need to show that with a picture, a number bond, and a number sentence. So that's how we show our work in math. So I'm going to listen to it. You're going to listen to it one more time. I'm going to read it to you. Jen had 9 flowers. She gave 7 to Joey. How many flowers does she have left? So you're going to make 9 circles. So do it now, and we're going to put it in the 10 frame. So make them nice and small and in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you're not sure, just look at me. 9. So our math book, our math program says the 5 group way. The 5 group way is just, it means the exact same thing as putting it in the 10 frame. All right, it means the same thing. So this is the 5 group way, or putting it in the 10 frame. All right, so we have 9, and now we're gonna show that we've given 7 away. Okay, Jen gave 7 to Joey. So I'm gonna X out from the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can see that 2 are left, and those circles represent flowers. So we have 9. We took 7 away. That equals 2. 2 what? We're talking about flowers. Flowers. Okay. So copycat. 9 minus 7 equals 2. What are we talking about? 2 flowers. 2 flowers. My E is a little messy right there. Let me fix that. There we go. It's a little better. Okay, good. Now I'm missing my number bond. I need to put it in my number bond, so I need to make my 3 circles. I remember that my party circle has the biggest number. Okay, I did something, but I'm also missing something. So I have my number bond, I have my numbers in it. But I have to show that I'm taking that 7 away. So in the number bond, don't forget, you have to show that that is subtraction, that you're taking that 7 away. All right, good job. Pause the video if you need to. Now your problem-solving task is slightly different today that you're going to work on, but you're going to follow the same format, okay? You're going to make your picture, you're going to make your number sentence, and your number bond, just with different numbers and a different problem, okay? But the expectation is the same of what you need to do. So picture, number sentence, number bond, and you're going to try your best, just like you always do. You do great with your problem-solving tasks. Awesome. All right, I'm going to erase that. Problem-solving task is finished. Oops. And then I'm on to a very short story about butterflies. This is nonfiction literature. It's filled with lots of facts or information. Love it. This type of butterfly is a monarch butterfly. The wings are always symmetrical, meaning what's on one side is exactly the same as the other. So there's this imaginary line of symmetry through the middle. If you were to fold it in half, I don't want you to do that, but if you were to do that, the wings would exactly match up, meaning that they are symmetrical. And we're going to talk about symmetry a little bit later in the week, and I have a coloring task for you to color the wings of a butterfly's symmetrical, make them symmetrical. Can you see the butterfly? Butterflies can be almost any color. The butterfly flies from flower to flower. Yes. Did you know that a butterfly tastes with its feet? Children always love that fact. It sips food from the flowers. Most butterflies are colorful. Some are orange. Some are yellow. Some are blue. That is such a pretty color. I love that color blue. Right here. Many are a mix of colors. This one looks like it has really good hiding colors. That it would be good at camouflaging itself. Butterflies have 2 pairs of wings. Hind and forewings, they're called. They also have 6 legs. So if they have 6 legs and they have 3 body parts, they are an insect. Butterflies begin life as tiny eggs. They look big here, but they're not. They're actually really, really small. It's just a blown up picture. Did you know a mother butterfly, also known as a female, lays eggs on leaves? So that's the beginning of their life cycle. And then the egg hatches in a few days. And out of the eggshell comes a caterpillar. Out comes the caterpillar. There he is. And he's so hungry, boys and girls. Look what he does. He eats his eggshell. It says the hungry caterpillar eats its eggshell. He is so hungry. Then the caterpillar starts to eat leaves. Yum, yum, yum. He's so very hungry. It grows bigger and bigger. Getting so much bigger. Look how big the caterpillar has grown. Now the caterpillar stops eating. The caterpillar is ready to change. So see the branch right there? It perches itself upside down on the branch. And it's ready to change. And now it's starting to form the chrysalis or the pupa. Slowly it forms the shell. And that's where this change is going to occur, this unbelievable change inside. It's called metamorphosis. What is happening inside the shell? The caterpillar is becoming a butterfly. Now, it actually takes a while. It takes a few weeks for this to happen. It doesn't happen right away. Crack! The shell is breaking. Out comes the butterfly. And at first, its wings are wet, and so it needs to dry. It cannot fly right away. The wings need to dry first, and then it can take flight. Out comes the butterfly. The butterfly spreads its wings after they dry, and soon it flies away. Many butterflies fly to warm places for the winter. It's called migration. They migrate. They travel. They stop to sip water. Did you know these butterflies head to the same warm spots every year? The butterflies fly home in the spring. That's when they fly home in the spring. Look, a butterfly. The same butterfly. It's the same picture from the cover. And then we have a glossary of terms in the back because this is nonfiction literature. And many times there is a glossary which has words in it from the story that the author feels are important. So the author defines the words, meaning it explains exactly what the word means. So for example, butterfly is an insect with 2 pairs of brightly colored wings. Insects are small animals with 6 legs, wings, and a 3-part body. Another word, hatch, that they chose to define is to break out of an egg. So these are important words or important vocabulary words from the story that are put in the glossary of the book in nonfiction literature. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you liked today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow.